Welcome to Focus English with Cece.
Tom, I'm so glad you came over today. I've been craving some comfort food, and I thought, why not share it with a friend?
I wouldn't miss it for the world. You know I love hanging out here. Plus, your kitchen always smells like happiness. What are we cooking?
My favorite dish. But I'm not going to tell you just yet. I want you to discover it as we go. Sometimes the surprise is half the fun.
A mystery dish? Now I'm curious. Okay, let's play. What's first?
Ingredients. Look, we've got chicken, onions, garlic, tomatoes, rice, and a mix of spices. And of course, oil and salt.
That already sounds like something hearty. Just seeing the onions and garlic reminds me of my mom's cooking. Every evening, the smell of frying garlic would spread through the house, and it was like a signal. Dinner's coming. Gather around.
That's so true. The smell of food has its own language. For me, it's the sound too, the sizzling in the pan. It takes me back to my grandmother's kitchen. She used to hum songs while stirring the pot. I never realized it then, but those moments were pure magic.
Funny how cooking always carries memories with it. Okay, so what do you need me to do?
Chop the onions and garlic.
Onions. My old enemy. They always make me cry.
Tears are part of the ritual. It's like the onion reminding you that cooking is emotional.
My eyes are stinging already. But it's okay. It feels less annoying when someone's here to laugh with me. Alone, I'd probably curse these onions.
That's the thing about cooking together. Even the little struggles turn into stories worth telling. I'll wash and cut the chicken while you keep battling those onions.
Done. The onions may have won, but I survived. What's next?
Heat some oil in the pan. Let's toss in the garlic and onions.
Oh, that sound. It's like music.
Right? For me, that's the sound of home. Add the chicken now. Let it brown on the outside.
Look at that. Pink turning golden. It's like watching a little miracle.
Cooking is full of small miracles. Ordinary ingredients turning into something extraordinary.
I like that. Ordinary things becoming special. Isn't that life too?
Exactly. Okay, now slice those tomatoes, 3 of them.
You know, I actually enjoy this. There's something calming about preparing food with your hands. It slows everything down.
That's why I love cooking. It forces you to be present. Add the tomatoes in. Look at the colors. Red, brown, gold.
It's beautiful. Almost too pretty to eat.
Now spices. A little salt, pepper, paprika, cumin, and just a pinch of chili powder.
Spices always remind me of travel. Every country has its own flavors, its own soul.
Exactly. Food is like a passport. You can travel the world without leaving your kitchen.
That's why I love cooking with you. I get to taste stories I never knew.
Now let's let it simmer, slowly on low heat. The flavors need time to get to know each other.
You know, simmering is kind of like friendship. At first, people are like separate ingredients. But with time, laughter, and patience, everything blends together into something deeper.
That's beautiful. Yes, exactly. True friendship is like a good stew, rich, warm, comforting.
Okay, now what about the rice?
2 cups of rice, 4 cups of water. We'll bring it to a boil, then let it simmer too.
I like that. Boil with energy, then simmer with patience. Feels like a life lesson.
Everything in cooking is a life lesson. Timing, balance, patience, and also knowing when to clean up.
Speaking of cleaning, I should start before the kitchen explodes.
Thanks. Cooking without cleaning is chaos. Balance makes it peaceful.
Fluffy and soft, just right. And the chicken smells incredible. The sauce is thick, rich, and tempting.
My stomach is already celebrating. Let's serve. Grab the plates.
1 big spoon of rice, chicken, and sauce on top. Wow, this looks like something from a fancy restaurant.
But it feels better because we made it ourselves. With patience, laughter, and maybe a few onion tears.
Oh, wow. This is amazing. Spicy but comforting. Warm like a hug in a bowl.
For me, this dish is more than taste. It's memories of my grandmother, my family, my childhood. And now, this moment with you.
I get it. It's not just food. It's connection. It's a story you can taste.
Exactly.
So, what's the name of this masterpiece?
My version of chicken stew. Simple, hearty, and full of love.
Then I'll never forget it. We should cook this again next week. I'll chop the onions if you promise to do the dishes.
Deal! And maybe next time we'll invite more friends. The more laughter at the table, the richer the flavor.
Yes, because at the end of the day, food isn't just about filling the stomach, it's about filling the heart.
And tonight, both are full.
Cheers to that.
Cheers. Ingredient. Meaning. A single item used in cooking. Chop. Meaning. To cut something into small pieces with a knife. Slice. Meaning. To cut something into thin, flat pieces. Stir. Meaning. To move food around in a pan with a spoon or spatula. Simmer. Meaning. To cook food slowly at a low temperature. Boil. Meaning. To heat liquid until bubbles rise to the surface. Sauté. Meaning. to cook quickly in a small amount of oil or butter. Spices, meaning dried seeds, roots, or powders that give flavor to food. Fluffy, meaning soft and light in texture. Stew, meaning a dish of meat and vegetables cooked slowly in liquid. What should I plus verb? Meaning used to ask for advice about what action to take. It looks like plus noun, phrase. Meaning used to describe appearance or to make a comparison. This is more than plus noun. Meaning used to emphasize that something has deeper value or meaning beyond what it seems. Let's plus verb. Meaning used to make a suggestion to do something together. At the end of the day, plus clause. Meaning used to give a conclusion or the most important point after everything is considered. And that's it for today's story. We shared food, laughter, and some beautiful moments together. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit subscribe so you won't miss the next one. More stories, more practice, and more inspiration are waiting for you. Keep learning. Keep smiling. See you soon.